Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker. This is the latest Bluetooth speaker with advanced technology released on October 2021 from Bose Corporation of America. So let's unbox it. Let's. It comes in three colors. Okay. Wow. So this is the speaker, and what else I got in the box, like some papers, and I think type C cable. Okay. So this is the Bose speaker, type C cable, user manual, and some legal and safety information. Okay, I don't need this. This is type C cable. Okay. So it comes in three colors, like the one is black, and the second one is light blue, and the third one is off white. So I chose the light blue color because I already have so many Bluetooth speakers with different colors. So this is unique color. This is something I like it. Unique color, light blue. So nice. It looks so beautiful. Look, so good. Nice body. Look, nice. So nice. So this is you need, it's multi-purpose use. So this is on off button, volume down. This is multifunctional button. Single press this button for play and pause your music. If you double press this button to skip to the next song, and if you triple press this button to go back to the previous song. And if you receive a call, press once to answer or end a call, and press and hold this button to use voice control on your phone. Okay, so this is volume up button, and this is Bluetooth button. And where is the type C? Here is the type C connection to charge the Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth speaker. So this is IP67, waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, shockproof, drop proof. Wow, so nice. So nice. Look, so nice. Latest Bluetooth speaker with advanced technology. Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker. The battery life is 12 hours. That's nice. It's a speakerphone, built-in microphone, means you can also take and make phone calls. Party mode syncs with other Bose speakers for bigger sound. That's nice. The audio is crisp, balanced, and free of distortions. Astonishing sound. That's great. So you guys can tilt it, flip it, hang it. It doesn't matter whether the Bose Bluetooth speaker is upright on the counter, hanging from a shelf, or flat on its back. The position IQ technology detects its orientation and ensures natural, lifelike sound. So beautiful, so beautiful. And the transducer offers clear sound and deep bass. That's so nice. One more thing, it floats too. It floats on water, so it won't sink if it falls off your boat. That's nice. That's so nice. And also, you guys can download the app, Bose Connect app, to set up your speaker, manage Bluetooth devices, get updates, and some new features. The Bose Connect app available on Play Store and Apple Store. The weight of this speaker is 1.3 labs. Nice, nice. I like this color. This so unique color, so unique color. Look, so unique color. I like it so much. It looks so beautiful. So beautiful. So it's now let's listen the songs and check the performance of the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker, which is the latest Bluetooth speaker with advanced technology from Bose Corporation of America. And the price of this Bluetooth speaker is $149 on Amazon in United States. Okay, let me turn on the speaker. Single press.
70%.
Okay,
Message to K51.
she said battery is 75%, 72%. Yeah, she's sitting inside. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna play some songs, like 5, 6, or 7 songs, to check the performance, to check the the sound, the bass, how clear sound is. Okay, so let's listen the songs.
Running back to my old life, that you leave it burning. Speaking tongues in my head, yeah, that's the way you want it. She called me baby, you're not wasting time. But how could I let her go? Don't you know I'm out of you? I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sunshine, make the clouds move over. We can do whatever, yeah. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sunshine, make the clouds move over. We can do whatever. We can do whatever, yeah. Do whatever, yeah. Do whatever, yeah. Do whatever you can do. Tick-tock, we're alone now, and my thoughts are frozen, frozen, yeah. Seeing pixels in slow-mo, in a weightless motion, yeah. She called me crazy and I'm wasting time. Easy, don't leave me now, yeah. For the sky and all its diamonds, I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sun's out, make the trying to figure ways to use your voice stuck in my brain. We never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So when I feel it again, I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So when I feel it again, I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So when I feel it again, I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So when I feel it again, I just don't know. I just don't know.
Wow, so nice. What a crispy, clear, balanced, with deep bass, free of distortions. Wow, what a sound! Wow, Boss is really boss. It's hard to beat this Bluetooth speaker. Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker. Wow, so nice. The reason is, this is, I'm telling you again, this is the latest Bluetooth speaker with advanced technologies from Bose Corporation of America. Nice, so nice. It's hard to explain, it's hard to explain. So nice. The beats, the bass, the crispy sound, the clear sound. So good, so good. This is must have speaker. Okay, so the price of the speaker I already told to you guys is 149 on Amazon in United States. So this is must have speaker. So if you guys like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel 369 unboxing. So thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.